Today I want to tell you a cautionary tale that will tell you why it is very important to watch your actions, not to be greedy, and to be aware of all kinds of risks. Because I want my viewers and subscribers not to do such stupid and obvious things and always be on the plus side. Let me get to the story. Since I am an active trader, I study and review a lot of information. And while watching the news, I saw one interesting interview about how a man lost $1 million because of a banal lack of risk management. I realized that this man's story would be a real lesson for me and probably for many other traders. His story began when he was the owner of a significant amount of money, which he gambled with a multiplier of 100 or more. The man was confident in his knowledge and ability to analyze the market. He didn't pay attention to the principles of risk management, believing that luck was always on his side. He invested huge sums of money at a huge multiplier and was very lucky. This man also had a copy trading account where people subscribed to him for large percentages of revenue. His subscribers made more than $600,000 in total profits. He told that 8 out of 10 trades went into the plus side. All these people ended up trusting him as if he knew everything and he couldn't make a mistake. This skillful individual shared his experiences in detail, highlighting how easy it is for him to predict various movements in the financial markets. While raving about his successful strategies, he described how, starting with just $300, able to grow his capital to over $250,000 by actively engaging in trading with an impressive multiplier. One day, when I decided to look at his copy trading accounts, I was shocked. I found out that his subscribers' total losses had reached the impressive figure of minus $2 million. In just a couple of days, this man had seemingly easily turned a whopping $600,000 in income into a $2 million deficit. And the worst thing about this situation is that his strategies were copied by about 11,000 people. This story was a real warning to me. I decided to rethink my strategies and approach to trading. It also served as a reminder of the importance of risk management and the portfolio diversity. Now I try to watch my actions, not to be greedy, and always evaluate possible risks. The story of this man has become a wise lesson not only for me, but also for everyone who seeks to successfully manage their finances. It is important to remember that the market is unpredictable, and even the most experienced traders can encounter difficulties. But those who know how to control their actions and risks stay in the game longer and have a better chance of successful investments. And what do you think, guys, about this? Please write in the comments, and also similar and many other news are highlighted in my Telegram channel. Subscribe to this and learn from other people's mistakes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to my Telegram channel, link in the description, as well as my YouTube channel. Leave likes, turn on notifications, and write your precious comments. That was Michael with you guys, and till the next time.